let's talk about Leuprolide. It comes in this little box here, and the vial looks like this. Leuprolide is used in both IVF stimulation as well as FET cycles, and it's used for different reasons. So because of that, it's really important that you pay attention to the instructions given to you by your physician. So I'm gonna do a little demonstration of how to draw it up, but again, just know that dosing on this varies a lot depending on why you're using the medication. In our purposes here, I'm gonna draw up a very tiny amount it's 0.1 mLs. So you'll either have a TB syringe that looks something like that, or in our case, we're just gonna use this little 1 ml syringe. So 1 ml syringe, just pull the cap off that needle. Make sure it's on tight. After cleaning the rubber stopper here with your alcohol swab, I'm gonna go ahead and puncture the top of that, flip it upside down, and just draw back to get 0.1 mLs. I got a little bit extra, so I'm gonna go ahead and push back to just that exact amount I need. So like I said, it's a teeny tiny amount, but with Leuprolide, the dosing varies from 0.1 mLs to 1 ml. Please be sure to listen to your physician to make sure that you are injecting the correct amount. You're ready for your injection.